In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a SNAME record in GoDaddy. If you need to connect a subdomain to another service or verify a domain setup, adding a SNAME record is a very common task. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go inside your GoDaddy account and what to enter so you can complete it correctly and confidently. To begin, open your GoDaddy account and sign in. Make sure you're using the account that manages the domain you want to update. Once you're logged in, go to your profile area. This is where you can access your account settings and the products connected to your account. From there, click on Domains. This will take you to the list of domains you own or manage in GoDaddy. Find the specific domain where you want to add the key name record and then open its settings. You're looking for the DNS section since that's where all the domain records are managed. Next, click DNS to open the DNS management page. This page contains records like A records, MX records, TXT records, and CNAME records. Since we're creating a new CNAME entry, look for the option to add a new record and click it. Now, in the Record Type menu, select CNAME. After that, you'll need to enter the name and the value. The name field is usually the subdomain or host you want to create, and the value field is the destination that subdomain should point to. Be careful when entering both fields, because even a small typo can cause the record not to work properly. You'll also see a TTL option. TTL stands for Time to Live, and it controls how long DNS information is cached before it refreshes. In most cases, the default TTL is perfectly fine, unless your service provider has asked you to use a specific setting. Once you've entered the name, the value, and selected the TTL, review everything one more time to make sure it matches the information you were given. When you're ready, click Save. After saving, keep in mind that DNS changes may not update instantly. Sometimes they appear within a few minutes, but in other cases, propagation can take longer. So if the change doesn't seem active right away, give it a little time and check again later. And that's it. That's how to add a SNAME record in GoDaddy quickly and correctly.